a clown frogfish. On its head, it carries a fishing rod, a modified dorsal fin baited with a lure, easily mistaken for a shrimp. But when the fish stop biting, it's time to pack the rod away and move on. And for a frogfish, that takes time. Rather than swim, frogfish walk. Its fins have, in effect, become feet. As every good angler knows, picking the right spot is important. Jigging the rod sends out pressure waves to attract the attention of possible prey. These dragonettes are certainly interested. Almost there. Hook, line, and sinker.